Hi, I'm Katie, and welcome to the final video in our evidence review series. We've seen how Rev captures evidence, uncovers contradictions, and prepares cross-examination strategies. Now for the ultimate test, performing under pressure in the courtroom. This is where Rev's real-time capabilities can make or break your case. Let me show you how criminal defense attorneys are using Rev to impeach witnesses in real time during trial. First, they get set up for success. All of their case evidence is loaded here over on the right. Witness interviews, police statements, prior testimony, all transcribed and searchable in one workplace. Then, during trial, when a witness is testifying, the attorney thinks they heard something that contradicts what they'd remembered from evidence review. Instead of having to manually shuffle through evidence, they can just go over to Rev Insights and open it. We'll use the case files I have here as an example of the kind of thing they're able to do. Imagine the witness just said to the prosecutor, "I didn't hear anything about their father or any problems with the police." In the break, before the attorney will do the cross-examination, he can search in Rev Insights, "Does Maria ever mention anything about the young men and their father?" Within seconds, Rev shows that in the police statement, the witness said, he started saying something about their father being killed by police and that he didn't like cops. This is the contradiction that they need for impeachment, and Rev provides the exact transcript citation. By using the transcript editor, the attorney can create a clip of the contradictory statement that they want to show. I'll show you an example of how to do this with some of the body cam footage from the incident. Here in the transcript editor, I'll highlight the part that I want to pull for evidence. I'll click this little scissor icon, Save Clip, and you'll see it appear over here as a saved clip. If I want to download it, you'll see that it comes with the video clip and the transcript, and it comes timestamped. So it's everything that I need for immediate impeachment. It's easy, convenient, and leads to better outcomes for your clients. That's an example of how it worked, but here's what Adam Levin, an attorney at Swingle Levin, told us about how he used Rev. "We were in trial this week and had a real-world opportunity to utilize Rev in a high-stress environment. I was able to use Rev to successfully cross-examine witnesses by leveraging the transcripts, video synced with transcripts, and various other features to effectively impeach testimony." It's not just theoretical. Rev is actually making a difference in real cases. I hope this series showed you how Rev gives you a complete evidence lifecycle solution from intake to trial. If you're ready to give it a try, head over to rev.com to learn more.